Yeah, this is very quiet. It's doing his thing. You're doing a good job, huh? Kaya's dropping them in.
I'm going to
Cold juice. We'll see how much juice our thing makes. She's
I'm
doing
going to do
great.
it all the way to.
Okay, well we'll have to add water to it anyway because it'll be too thick. Alrighty. Having a good time? What are you putting in there now?
I'm putting a grape in a salad.
A grape in a salad? You mean a grape in a kale? Okay. Put a beet in there again. Beets make a lot of noise, huh? Yeah. But the machine doesn't make a lot of noise, does it?
Come on.
Just a little noise.
I
Kaya?
think it's nice. I can do it. Wait,
You're gonna
which
put-
one you want?
Carrot next.
Nice one.
Put a grape in too.
Okay.
Wonderful. This is going to be one yummy juice, I hope.